Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Tyge, and we're from Demo to Reno.
The continuation of our house transformation has led us now into our guest room.
It's really dark and dreary and in need of a makeover to make our guests feel a bit more welcome.
So the vibe we're going for is we want this to feel like a hotel. We know that we want to add a pop of color, get rid of some of this dark wood, but beside that, we're kind of stuck.
We know that it's highly recommended to go and get some expert advice.
Hi. So we are back at it, and today we are tackling our guest room.
Okay.
I want the feeling of a hotel.
Okay.
What can you suggest?
Yeah, I really like this one, yeah.
You think that one? Yeah, me too.
Before we can get painting, there's definitely a lot of prep to do.
And there's some weird boxes on the walls. Why don't you explain what those were, Ty?
Well, my darling, as you know, you wanted wainscoting, so I thought I'd get onto it and start marking out the walls. Went down, bought the timber that I needed, pulled the drop saw out, but I tell you, it was one of those days where everything went wrong.
Plan B is fine.
Yeah, we're not wainscoting anymore. We have only got one set of PPE today, and Christina has drawn the short straw, as you can see.
Oh my God, I'm trapped. Sanding is done. Now it's time to fill some holes and get onto some priming, and then finally, painting.
I don't think Christina got this part. I think she missed a bit there, babe. It's all right, I got you.
This is the Resene Sureseal pigmented sealer. So this is gonna go on all of our varnished timber and take the room from looking dark and woody to fresh and bright.
When it comes to these tongue-grooved ceilings like this, the big question is, do you fill all the gaps?
Time to do our undercoat. I'm using the Resene Quick Dry, and goodbye my dream of wainscoting, but hello beautiful paint.
Now, there's two main things that we've done in this room that's really transformed it. And the first one was getting rid of all the wood. It outdates the place and makes it feel so old. We used a Resene Black White, and I tell you what, it's come out amazing.
The second thing we did is my favorite thing about this entire room. I'm so glad we chose it. It is Resene Clouded Blue. It has a really nice gray undertone, and I am so happy with how it turned out. To finish off this room, we got some big linen couches for our guests to relax in, new curtains, and of course, two big rattan pendants, which finish this room off perfectly.
So room done, ready for our guests.